and gentlemen, my name is Jaco Maritz. I head up the Strategic Operations Unit at WealthMigrate. It's my pleasure to present our platform, wealthmigrate.com, to you this morning. As you well know, 49% of the world's wealth is held in real estate, but only about 12% of the world has access to this real estate. WealthMigrate's ultimate vision is to change this. We would like to make sure that the 99% can invest the same as the top 1% of the world in real estate. The key question that we ask ourselves is, how do we make global real estate investment as simple as the swipe of a finger from as little as $1? I'm going to take you through our platform, and I'm going to start right up front with our website. When you land on our website, you're confronted with a couple of options, a few key things. That the first thing that stands out on this is that we do accept Bitcoin for real estate investment. The second thing that you can see is our track record. So in 2.5 years that we've been operating, we've paid out $4.5 million in dividends to our clients. We've had close on 70 million equity invested through the platform, and we've close on 1,800 transactions through our platform. We're also in the process of launching the Wealthy Coin, which is a catalyst for our whole ecosystem, from money movement to the whole operation within the ecosystem. You can explore all our transactions that we have available currently, and there's quite a bit of them in different countries. We serve 4 main territories at the moment. There's the US, the UK, and Australia, with the new territory coming on board in South Africa. So to do a transaction, it's as easy as logging into your profile once set up. I've used my Facebook to register on this platform. Once you're in the platform, the first thing that you get is your portfolio. So we have a networking option, which is right up front. So if you want to refer friends and family, you have a full overview of your portfolio. So I've invested in North America and in Australia. I have open investments, and I have funded investments that is currently available on the platform. And then I have all my wallets. So cross-border investment is in multiple currencies. So the 2 currencies I have available on my wallet is US dollars and Australian dollars, and I have 2 wallets with full transactional history available on my dashboard. So I can check how much money I have in, how much money has been deposited. I can also see my securities, so all my investments that I've made. So you can see my Medical 10 investment, my Medical 9. We specialize on secure commercial investments, and we're bringing more and more different types of commercial investment onto the platform. These are all run through a proper due diligence system, similar to a REIT or listed company would have, but it makes it more accessible for the man in the street. So I'm going to take you through investment. If we want to invest now in one of the medical transactions that we have in the USA, it's as simple as 7 steps. The first step is choosing your investment vehicle. So we have the ability to vet companies, trusts, as well as individuals onto the platform and run through a full KYC process. I've already gone through the KYC process, so I select my personal investment profile that I would like to invest in. That then takes me to updating documents. So I've already uploaded my documents on these, and you can download or upload your documents or change them at any time on the platform. Once those documents are uploaded, you go through a KYC process with our friendly call center, and then they will activate your profile for investment. Once that is in, I've chosen $1,000 to invest onto this specific transaction, or I can redeem a voucher. Obviously, there's some compliance that we have to go through, and all the documents is available here. PKF Capital runs our investment structure, our listed investment structure, and that has certain disclaimers that the client has to tick and go through. Once we press Save and Next, we've selected all of that. We can then download all the necessary documents after it's been reviewed. We can then select, so those are for your own record. You can then select that you've seen them, and then online sign your contract for this real estate investment. And while it's preparing the documents and putting it into a package, putting the offer document plus all of the necessary documents into one package for you to sign and to have available for the future. As real estate is very much still a paper-driven process in most parts of the world, this is still an important factor to have a digital copy of a signed contract. If you sign this, there's different signing options. You can type to sign, which is the easiest way to do it. And I'll just sign this contract. And it puts in the signature on the contract, which is then available. We submit the signature on that, and it's been signed, and it moves to the next step. I can now decide what type of money movement I would like. In some territories, we have third-party payments available. In the UAE, we don't at the moment, so that's why it just gives me the options available in the UAE at the moment because of geolocation. So I have a Sable option, which is basically money transfer via FX provider, wire transfer if you have a bank accounts in the territories already, or you can use BitPay. I'm just going to use the wire transfer. It gives me the necessary documents. I go pay in that amount via my bank. I then upload my proof of payment. And that completes the transaction. So it is as easy as that to invest cross-border into the commercial real estate, blue chip commercial real estate, and actually have access to the best real estate transactions in the world. We're also launching on the 15th of March, we're launching our real estate based coin, which is the first one of its kind. You can compare us to the other real estate coins, and we are available in one of the booths outside. Thank you very much.